So, as an example, if you went into a bike shop, would you just pick a bike and ride out with it? Or would they take the time to set the bike up with the right seat height, the right distance to the pedals, and the right distance to the handlebars so that they fit your stature? And that's the same when you should be setting up your ergonomic equipment, because those ergonomic recommendations which we rely on are actually manufacturing guidelines. They're not a training tool. We still have to teach people how to adjust that equipment to fit their stature. Let me give you an example. So an example of how to refine an ergonomic recommendations to match your stature. Really simple and very important if you're still using a laptop flat on the work surface, which is creating these hunched, painful work positions. The first thing to do is to set your screen height, and to do that, the centre of your screen should be 17.5 degrees below eye level, and nobody knows what that means. But that actually means that the centre of your screen should be about shoulder height. So if you point to your screen, your fingertips are now about 17.5 degrees below eye level. How easy is that? No cost, no fancy equipment, no special tech products. Just a simple action that sets that screen height to match your body. So easy. Give it a try.